Hi, Edwin here, and in this video I want to show you what Amaniche is and what it can do for you. I installed Amaniche on this site and there are no posts yet, so it's a completely blank site and totally empty. As you will see, there are no posts found, and I'm going to show you how you can fill this up very fast with Amazon products and with your affiliate links. I already installed Amaniche and I also entered the options. I only entered the Amazon options. Optionally, you can also add eBay auctions to your site, but I haven't done that at this moment. And the first thing that you do is you select the type of layout that you want. You can always change it afterwards, but you have three layouts out of the box: the simple, the default, or the shop. And over here you see an example of how it looks like, and you can always change that afterwards by either using the wizard, or if you're comfortable with HTML code and things like that, you can always go to the advanced layout and change the layout that way. In this case I will select the shop layout, so I'm going to select that one, and I want the image to the left like that. And over here, this is the last step. I'm asked how should the layout be, so what should be at position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and should there be a label before it. So in this case I leave it as is. I leave brand, model, list price, price, a buy button, a bookmark and features, and below the image I will enter the description, features, the accessories, related items, and let me add a buy button. Okay, and I save the settings. The next step is search for the products, and I'm going to enter stroller. I want them from the baby category, and the minimum price should be 100. I want them sorted by best selling. You can also enter the real category node from Amazon. Over here I explain how to look for that, or you can go to a site that's called Browse Nodes, and I have that in the manual where you can find that. So, and over here you see the number of results, and let me select 50. What it does right now is it's going to Amazon and it fetches the product that matches your criteria. As you see, it finds all sorts of strollers, and over here there's also a car seat, maybe because in the description there's also the word stroller, and I don't want to select those, so I do it this way. And these I don't want, and I saw something over here that I also don't want, and I'm going to put them all to the uncategorized category. I can change that afterwards. I'll drip feed them 30 days, and let me do that in the past. I'm going to set the status to publish. Okay, and what it does right now is it fetches the product data, and it is adding it as a post, and that is working at this moment. So let me go to the post section. You can have a look how it looks. This is done on autopilot. It fetches related products, accessories, a buy button, customer reviews, it's working like that, adding more and more products. all on autopilot. So this is very fast. I will leave that other tab running, and in the meantime I will go to the custom menu. And what this does is it creates categories in your website. And first of all, I'm going to create a group name called brand, and the attributes that I want to use for that is the brand. And what it does right now is it's going to create a category called brand, and with all these, if I select all, those brand names will be subcategories of the category brand, and all the products that are in that brand will be added to those categories. So if you go to categories right now, you will see all these categories, and there are, for instance, baby jogger. You see those products are added to the baby jogger category. And all this, the layout, all things like that, are totally customizable. Customer reviews. And for instance, if you say, well, I don't like the layout, how it's done right now, you can change that in the wizard over here. For instance, by making it the default, and the image to the left, and you have optional the labels and what would you want next to the image, but I'll leave it like this. If I go now to the products, and if you see it's no longer the e-commerce type of layout, but it's like this. And even this is totally customizable. If you go to manage products, you can always edit the product details that you want and change things around. For instance, the description, you can change that, and the brand, model, and things like that. The rating is scraped, so you can change that. If you set scraping to no, then it will leave like that. And there's one other thing that I want to show you, that is custom descriptions. And what it does is you can enter spin ready text and include in that spin ready text Amazon attributes, and it will either, and you select that, be above the description, below, or replace it. So if you want, for instance, if you have a camera site and you would enter this text, this, the best new photo camera, enzovoort, etc, etc. I mean, sorry about that, there was a little bit of Dutch. And you see over here brand, that is an attribute from Amazon, and it will be replaced by the actual brand of the product. And over here there's the list of all the attributes that are available from Amazon. I have that also in the menu, and you can use it to create an intro above the description of your products, or below, or even replace the description. And that way you will always know that your product posts are totally unique. And that is something that is, well, I think it's important. And for instance, if you use this format, what would happen? Well, the plugin will create either a sentence that will look something like this: this new camera made by Sony, and that is created because over here is brand, and this camera was, for instance, a Sony camera. Has so many features. The thing that I really liked was the 10 megapixels, and there should be a pixels, and the 10 is because I entered over here megapixels. And you can create this text as long as you want, and make it really unique. And that way, if you combine it with the Amazon products and your affiliate links and things like that, you're able to create a nice looking affiliate website very fast, that is totally unique, and hopefully will make you money. Okay, that was Amaniche. Thank you very much.